Making money online by understanding best digital incomes. Making money online is the generation of income through digital platforms and activities. This is where people leverage the internet to reach global audiences, monetize skills or assets, and create sustainable revenue streams, and all without the need for traditional brick-and-mortar establishments. Making money online may include several types of income. For example, it may include earned income from freelancing, remote work, and online business operations. Income from online business operations includes earnings generated through many popular digital businesses. Think of e-commerce sales, digital services, and subscription models. Of course, online business involves running websites or platforms that sell products or offer services directly to consumers. This often leads to leveraging digital marketing strategies to attract and retain customers, thereby generating consistent revenue streams. Meanwhile, passive income from affiliate marketing, digital products, and online advertising is a popular way to make money online. For instance, affiliate income is earned through promoting products or services for other companies. Online personalities receive commissions for driving sales or leads through unique affiliate links. This form of income involves partnering with businesses and leveraging online platforms. Affiliates use their websites, blogs, and social media to attract potential customers. Finally, portfolio income from online trading and investment platforms. A great example is day trading. Day trading is a popular way to make income. It involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day to profit from short-term price movements. Traders capitalize on fluctuations in stocks, currencies, or other assets. Naturally, the goal is to earn profits by leveraging market volatility. For someone new to online ventures, affiliate marketing is usually considered the easiest to start. It requires minimal upfront investment. This is because you can promote products or services through existing platforms without needing to create your own products or manage inventory.